Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought classic bob haircut for you. This style is one length all around the head and is typically chin length. There are no layers, so can be blunt cut or point cut if you want it be softer. This shoulder length haircut is universally flattering. Women tend to think that once they reach a certain age, they can't have short hair. But that's not true. If you love short hair, then you can have it, no matter how old you are. Shoulder length medium hairstyle are face framing and look great with any hair color. Be daring. Let your hair do the talking for you. Your hair can be an extension of your personality and it certainly should not age you. A classic bob haircut is a style most popular among women, which has remained common over the years because of its simplicity and timelessness. In this style, the hair is cut to the same length all around the head. A chin-length bob is the most common, in which the hair will fall just to the jawline. Some choose to go a bit shorter or chop the hair around the ears. The classic bob haircut is typically parted in the middle or off to one side and is generally styled straight. Certain hair types or face shapes are more flattered by the classic bob haircut than others. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.